aloha, Hawaii. Hey, Stukulele from Uke Mullum here. Thanks for dropping by and Merry Christmas to you and yours. You've landed on a uke-torial for the song Christmas Island, one of my favourite Christmas tunes. Now, if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do that and click the notification bell so you never miss a uke-torial. You can also support us at patreon.com/Uke Mullum, which is where you can get the song sheets. Christmas Island. Let's get away from the sleigh bells. Let's get away from the snow. Let's take a break some Christmas, dear. I know the place to go. Aloha, eh, aloha, eh, aloha, Hawaii. How'd you like to spend Christmas on Christmas Island? How'd you like to spend your holiday away across the sea? How'd you like to spend Christmas on Christmas Island? How'd you like to hang your stocking on a great big coconut tree? How'd you like to stay up late like the islanders do? Wait for Santa to sail in with your presents in a canoe. If you ever spend Christmas on Christmas Island, you will never stray, for every day your Christmas dreams come true. Aloha, hey, aloha, hey, aloha, Hawaii. Thanks so much for watching. Merry Christmas. See you next time.
There's a swirl in the sun and a swirl in the sky. There's a smile on the face of everybody passing by.